I have like yellow and chipped teeth, and I have missing back teeth. Now I have all my teeth, and they're a great color. My experience with On Veneers, it's a very easy process. You get your kit in the mail, you make your mold, you put them back in the box that it came in. It already has a label prepaid on there, and you send it back. That's it. And then in like 2 weeks, they came back. They were done. The value is amazing. They even have budget options where you can pay some at a time. These are just like the best thing that's ever happened, because I have so much confidence now to smile and be myself. I recommend picking up some if you have any problems, dental issues at all that you don't want to be seen or that make your confidence lack. Thank you, On Veneers, and good luck to all of you who decide to go this route.